Can you imagine a world where every breath you take is pure, clean, and nourishing? A world where air pollution is a myth, a thing of the past? It may sound like a utopia, but in reality, it's a goal that's within our reach. The air we breathe is under siege. Pollution, largely from road traffic, industry, coal burning, and household emissions, is taking a heavy toll on our atmosphere. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's a health crisis. Air pollution is responsible for 7 million premature deaths each year, with children and adults alike suffering from reduced lung function and heart disease. It's a stark reality that the majority of the global population is breathing air that exceeds the World Health Organization limits. Only 7 countries, including Finland and Iceland, have the privilege of meeting these guidelines. The situation is particularly dire in South and Central Asia, where countries like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and Tajikistan contend with the worst air quality. But there is hope. There is a solution that doesn't just aim to lessen the damage, but to turn the tide completely. Enter permaculture, a design system for sustainable living and land use. Permaculture is not a newfangled concept, but an approach that draws inspiration from nature itself. It's about creating efficient, self-sustaining systems that not only support human life, but also enhance the health of our planet. Permaculture practices, when applied correctly, can significantly improve air quality. By promoting biodiversity and natural ecosystems, we can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Planting trees, for instance, is a simple yet powerful act. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, providing us with the clean air we need to thrive. Moreover, permaculture encourages sustainable farming practices that shun synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, both significant contributors to air pollution. Composting, crop rotation, and natural pest control are just a few examples of how permaculture can help us cultivate our food without harming our air. The beauty of permaculture is its adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a flexible approach that can be tailored to the specific needs of a community or an ecosystem. Whether in a bustling city or a remote village, permaculture has the potential to transform our relationship with the environment. But achieving this transformation requires action. It's time to take a stand for the air we breathe, for the health of our planet, and for our future generations. Educate yourself about permaculture, understand its principles, and see how you can apply them in your own life. Advocate for its adoption in your community. Encourage your local policymakers to consider permaculture-based solutions to air pollution. Remember, every breath we take is a testament to the state of our environment. Clean air isn't just a luxury for a select few, it's a right that every person deserves. And with permaculture, we have the tools to make this a reality. So, breathe in, breathe out, and let's make every breath count.